Hey folks, isn't it just amazing when you've got a great meal sizzling on the stove? But what happens when that beautiful sizzle turns into a disastrous scorch? Yeah, we've all had those moments, that oh-so-dreaded burnt food smell that simply refuses to leave. But don't you worry. In this video, we'll conquer that pesky burnt smell together. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Alright, first things first, where's that smell coming from? Just follow your nose. Is it your oven, microwave, toaster? Or, God forbid, did we mess up some wiring? Remember folks, if it's an electrical problem, do the right thing and call in a pro. Now, step 2. Let's get some fresh air in here. Open up those windows, fling open those doors. If you can, try to get a nice cross breeze going, it really helps. Too hot or too cold outside? No problem, an air purifier can be your best friend. Next up, time to bid adieu to that poor burnt food or object. If it's scorched but edible, scrape off the charred bits. But if it's a lost cause, toss it out. Oh, and seal up that trash bag tight, you don't want Mr. Burnt smell wandering around. Got rid of the burn? Great, now let's clean up. Soap and warm water can work wonders here, but remember to be gentle. Scrub lightly, rinse thoroughly, and don't forget to dry off that surface. You've done great so far, but what if the smell is still there? Don't worry dear, baking soda's here. Sprinkle it around, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and wipe it clean. Still smell something? Vinegar to the rescue. Soak a cloth in vinegar, leave it around, and let it work its magic. Not a fan of vinegar? Try activated charcoal. Place it in a container, let it sit for a few hours, and watch that smell disappear. Not into charcoal? No problem, coffee grounds can do the trick. Or maybe try some citrus peels for a fresh and clean aroma. And if all else fails, bring out the big guns, air fresheners or essential oils. Spray around or set up a diffuser and let it mask that stubborn burnt smell. And voila, you're now an expert on how to get rid of burnt smell. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Share the knowledge with your friends and let us know your experiences in the comments. Until next time, happy odor busting!